Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can use shaders with mods in Minecraft. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Optifine. After that, open the optifine.net website and this type of interface will be displayed. Now navigate to the downloads section and then select Show All Versions Embed. After that, select the preferred version and click on Download. Once you do that, an ad will be displayed. Simply click on the Skip button at top right corner and then click on Download button to start it. After that, open a new tab and search for the target shaders file. In my case, I will search for Apollo shaders and then access the 9 Minecraft website. Inside it, click on this Download Embed and then select Server 1. Once done, a new web page will load up. Simply click on Download and it will start downloading. After it is downloaded, close the browser and open the Minecraft Forge mod. Now click on the mods button in front of you and all of the available mods will appear. Here, click on the Open Mods folder button and then paste the Optifine mod. Once done, restart your game and you can see that it is not appearing in the mods files. But if you go into Options and then Video Settings, you can see that we are currently using the Optifine mod. After you have got the Optifine mod running, click on Shaders and then click on the Open Shaders button. Again, paste the shader file into this folder and close it. After that, select the newly added shader and click on Done. If I run the game now, you can see that the shader and mod has been added successfully. So that's basically how you can use shaders with mods in Minecraft. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.